the country which is working on the space applications. You know that the Mars mission was a major success to the country, putting the nation in the top of the world along with our 3 nations. We had a fantastic success. Then the geostationary launch vehicle, again last year was launched with our own indigenously developed cryogenic engine. This is one of the technology which country was suffering, and we could successfully develop, and a satellite was launched and put into orbit at 36,000 kilometers altitude by our GSLV vehicle, having our own indigenous cryogenic engine in that. Then also you had a space capsule which was sent up and then recovered back using a parachute mechanism last year again in December. That mission was also made, and that mission also made a success, major success for our future space missions. Space missions, you will be able to have a space stations and things like that, and you could develop a parachute mechanism. There is a laboratory in Agra which has developed this parachute mechanism, and you could recover that space capsule. Then just 3 days back on this Saturday evening, we had the PSLV launch. PSLV launch and PSLV success has become a routine. It is, PSLV means people think that it is definitely a success. Now in this mission, the 4th IRNS satellite, Indian Regional Navigation Satellite, has been successfully put into orbit. It makes that the 4 satellites are available. You should be able to get a position from your own system, unlike from GPS. You don't have to depend now onwards on GPS. You will be able to get your own position through your own satellites. You have established your indigenous technology, you have established your own technology today. So this is what is the space has achieved in the last 1 year itself, so many major successes. Coming to my own department, DRDO, the Defense Research and Development Organization. Look at last year, the long range cruise missile which flies at a low altitude, Nirbhay, has been successfully flight tested, which makes India one of the 4 countries to have a cruise missile of this class in the world. Second, we also had the Agni 5 mission, which has placed India into the intercontinental ballistic missile domain, which can travel more than 5,000 kilometers. The 3rd successful flight test was conducted last year, making India is one of the people who can make in ICBMs. This is another success was there. Then Indian air-to-air missile Astra was again a very successful launch, making that India is also into all tactical missiles, and you are able to make your own tactical missiles. Last year, the light combat aircraft which India has developed ourselves, that aircraft has been accepted by the Air Force after all the clearances what were required to be done by them. This is aircraft, we are one of the 6 nations which could develop this type of a systems in the world. This is another which has been accepted by the services. Then we also had the Arjun tank, which was developed by another DRDO laboratory, has been accepted. Mark 1, 125 tanks have been accepted, and Mark 2 also has come to the final clearances doing the user trials, which has gone into this, and again making the country one of the 5 nations who have developed their own indigenous main battle tank. This is another major success.